Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with another tap update. So, I hope everybody's having a great weekend, having a chilled out time. As you know, weekends can generally volume in crypto market can just dissipate quite a bit. So the volume's probably going to be quite low in that. So, but I thought I'd do this quick update in terms of tap. Because I've been asked by a few people, where do you go to download the app and what do you have to stake to get the card? So I'll give a very quick run through on that, and then I just want to have a quick look at, in terms of market cap, where we could go in terms of what tap is now to where, say, crypto.com is. So without further ado, give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Give us a subscribe as well. Always much appreciated too. So without further ado, let's just have a quick check of where you actually can stake your XTP. So to stack your XTP, basically straightforward, download the app, do the general KYCs, and then once you've downloaded that and you've gone through all that kind of process, the app is just so straightforward. In terms of buying cryptocurrencies on there. If you're used to doing like with crypto.com and Binance and such like, this is absolutely a doddle to do sort of thing. So once you've downloaded it, you can scroll down on your app and you'll come to where it will show in a purple square shape thingy-majig, stake XTP. So when you can stake, basically, you've basically got a 3-tier. You've got the standard tier, black tier, and titanium. So these are the cards you can get. So obviously, the standard is a free card. There's no lockup time, up to 4% APY. And also, if you go to the black, which is the medium of the road, it's 250k. You stake that. You have to lock it up for 1 year. You cannot take it out. I'll let people aware of that. You can't take it out. Once you stake it, you've got to wait a year. So if you stake it today, it'll be a year from now before you can release your XTP. So obviously you've got the titanium again here. It's 500k for this one, 500 XTP to stake and lock away for a whole year. You get up to 8% APY, which will be paid to you. But what I also like about the titanium, which really attracts me, is not just this, the staking, it's also 0.6% APY on crypto trading fees, and exchange fees are free. Where the middle of the road, it's 1%, standard 1.5%, and it's unlimited in terms of the ATM withdrawals. €1,000 for the middle of the road, which is the black, and there's only €500 you can withdraw on a monthly basis with the standard. So that's basically what it is at the moment. But remember, keyword, it's locked up for a whole year. So you can't, doesn't matter what, if you ask them or what, you can't get it out. It's locked up. But don't forget, more people use the card, the staked up, and whatever, the better the burns. And obviously, we've got like Bitfinex. They got I think about 500,000 users on theirs. When that fully comes about, and they use the debit cards as well for Bitfinex as a partner of TAP. This is really going to accelerate these burns. And obviously, as we all know, more burns, less supply, more demand means the price will inevitably go up. So just keep that in mind. So just keep an eye out on that one. So just a quick cover up. So why am I bullish on this? I am extremely bullish long term on this because we've got 1,000 plus global users listed on the Aqua Stock Exchange, partnership with Bitfinex, end of March, exposed to the whole USA. That's going to be absolutely massive, and also we've got 100 million insurance. Some people have said to me it's 250 million now in insurance, but I'm just going off what their website says. Transparency due to IPO listings. I will get into that right now, actually. So because they are listed on the stock exchange, you can go to investigate.co.uk, go to company, type in TAP Global, And basically, it will give you all that information regarding, what directors have bought, what directors have sold, and it will also give you, contract wins, such as like it brings up here on Bitfinex. So an hour before any trading, any announcements which are going to be released will come an hour before actual stock market trading begins. So I always check this on a daily basis in the UK, an hour before the London stock market opens up. And that. So, but also there's no finances on it as yet, but obviously that will come about because they've only just gone on to the stock markets. And if you go to like companies like Hargreaves and Lansdowne, they'll give you more information. But all you have to do is like say, just click on this, and it'll give you all that information about like what's basically happened regarding this partnership. Or if you click on the holding directors, shareholders, it'll give you here, who's got what and who's sold what. So, but yeah, just go to investigate.co.uk for that. So yeah, so all good. So let's have a quick look. One thing I'm interested in is looking at what is the times. Can we get a 50x from where we are or whatever? So let's have a look at this. So if you go to Coin Perspective, which is basically gives the market caps, we can basically find out what will we get. So like here, Arve, if TAP went to their current market cap, it'll be a 19x from there. So let's have a quick look at CRO. So if we type in here CRO, it'll bring up the Kronos, which is theirs is roughly around 2 billion. So if from where we are now, and we went all the way up to what the Kronos is, CRO, that would be a 34x from where we are now. That's a whopping 34x. And we are just in where we think we are at the moment, in the accumulation area in crypto world. So imagine what the bull market will be like, because don't forget, some people have said, oh yeah, we've smashed up, we've had this big run up and that, it's running out of steam and whatever. But when you look at the coin market cap and you go from here, from its all-time high, we're at this little glip here. That's where we are. So hopefully with all these new partnerships and America and wherever else we go to, whatever else they're building, new partnerships and such like, we are a young company. We are, it says here, market cap is just under 20 million, fully diluted market cap is 158 million. Obviously volume's down because it's the weekend, but we've got so much room to move up. It's like I said, you go to this, 34x to reach Kronos. So if we just go to like the BNB chain here, that's a 692x to catch up with Binance, BNB. 692x, that is just mind-blowing. Will we ever do that? Nothing's impossible. That's the thing. Nothing is impossible. But bear in mind, never put more money than you're willing to lose. Always do your due diligence. And another thing I create here is not financial advice or anything like that. It's just for entertainment purposes. So, but look at that. It's worth going now. Go to Coin Perspective and it will tell you, what you could potentially get if everything goes right. So currently, looking at XTP, this is on the 4-hour chart. Basically, we've just created a bull pennant on the 4 hours. I basically created the flagpole, potential breakout point, and that is around about a 72% uptick if the markets play nicely and Bitcoin plays nicely. So there you go. So I hope everybody's enjoyed that. We had a bit of a glitch there. I apologise on the making of stream. But yeah, so we've got the flagpole here. Yeah, it's looking really, really good. So yeah, it's like I said, potential 72% here. And look at that, stock RSI is down. We're sort of like basically oversold really. So potentially if the Bitcoin decides to want to make a move up, no doubt we'll make a move up, but the stock RSI on the 4 hourly is oversold. basically we create a ball pennant. Yeah, looking really, really good. So yeah, so if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you soon in the next video.